Okay, welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi. I am continuing work on the Tamiya Ford G.P.A. Jeep. As you can see, I am removing the masks from the windshield, and we'll find some paint has leaked under the tape. The oil paint for the wash was quite thin and made its way between the tape and the plastic. Since oil takes days to truly dry and is easily activated by turpenoid, I will use a Q-tip to rub the oil paint off. Then I will scrape any extra acrylic paint with a toothpick. The wood of the toothpick is strong enough to push the dried paint around, while soft enough to not scratch the clear plastic. Next, I scratch built each windshield wiper with 2 pieces of very thin plastic. Now I will work with dry transfers, which are distinctly different than decals. However, there are situations where it is easier to work with decals than dry transfers. Archer Decals provides clear decal film to allow this. After attaching the wheels, I attached the side view mirror. Next I will fit the windshield, which must be placed at the same time as the dashboard. Now I drop the spare wheel into place and attach a few other extra parts. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit subscribe. In the next video, I will be talking about weathering the vehicle with pastels. Thank you for watching.